Well, I guess we're doing Windows 10 LTSC frenzies, I guess, because now we're installing it on my Chromebook. Now, someone actually in my comment section of the Windows on a Chromebook video actually suggested that I put LTSC on this Chromebook. So let's try it. I've wanted to install LTSC. In my opinion, it's the better version of Windows. Because there's not as much bloatware and crap and stuff. Now the touchpad is not going to work. You can see, actually no, you can't see because I didn't lower my screen enough, but the touchpad doesn't do anything. I don't have the drivers for the touchpad. I need to get those installed and I need to adjust my camera. But I think I should be able to tab around, yeah, and install Windows like this, like that. So the keyboard on this thing, fortunately, does still work, which is really nice. So, yeah, thank goodness. Windows 10 Enterprise LTSC. Let's go with that one. And you can see it's already got the drivers. The screen resolution's actually correct. It looks a bit blurry up here, but that's because it's not designed for it. Let me see. Upgrade and custom. I want custom. Ooh, wow. It's saying that I don't really have enough storage for a lot of stuff. Recovery, that's fine. Dude, why are there this many partitions? The amount of free space on the select partition is smaller than the 16,907 megabyte recommendation. We recommend at least making at least... That's the thing, though, that this is kind of funny. This is the only drive in the system, so, I mean, you gotta stick with it. It's lower than what's recommended, but it still will work, so. And some Chromebooks that have 32-bit Windows will obviously handle this a lot better than some other ones, so. Like, some Chromebooks I know have 32 gigs of storage instead of only 16. This one's only got 16. I've seen some with 8. I'm pretty sure Windows 10 will still install on an 8 gigabyte partition. I think you need like, it's either 8,700 megs or 7,700 megs. I can't remember anymore what the definite minimum is. It tells you in the setup, but yeah, probably should have checked that. So yeah, with a Microsoft account, this will obviously take up a lot less space because all the information will be stored in the cloud. But yeah. Oh, it got Bluetooth. That's what that was? It was Bluetooth. That's funny. This is still not doing this. I don't know what it's doing, but... And this one is... I think this is the one that's having trouble. This is probably the... Yeah, this is probably the trackpad, because Windows doesn't have drivers for... Oops. Windows does not have drivers for everything, so... Show transparency in Windows. It might be on battery saver, honestly. So I probably just need to restart, but yeah, that's what I'm going to do quick. And here we are, just need to sign in again. Yeah, that's cool. We've got the little arrow glass now. Well, it's not arrow, but I'd still call it that. So now I need to go to, what is it? I need Edge. There is no Edge. Internet. Oh, before I do actually need to open the File Explorer though. Nah, let me see. Sure, I just need to open an Explorer window. I could have just clicked on the recycle, but now I think about it. Oh, wow. That is a lot of free space compared to what we had with previous editions of Windows. And I haven't even signed in with an account yet. Like a Microsoft account. I haven't even signed in with one of those yet. So that's interesting. So now I need to go to the, what is it? I have drivers. Cool star. There we go. Look at that. There's my touchpad. Sweet. Chromebook ELAN touchpad. There we go. HID compliant. Shut up. So now it's time for me to sign in, whoopsies, with a Microsoft account. But what I do need to do is get my flash drives. I've got two. One of mine snapped in half and I lost a bunch of files. So you can see I've got two flash drives here, and they both have the same stuff on them, so I can keep them backed up. So there was, oh, I thought there was a problem with it. I'm like, okay, good. They both work fine. I should be able to click on you. Click there. So here we are with drivers. Now I'm just going to put in the Acer Chromebook that I have so I can put the touchpad drivers in here. New folder. Acer Chromebook. See, what's the number again? I forgot. I want to check. There's the battery in here is shot. I forgot to mention that. The battery doesn't hold a charge anymore. Now, what I do need to put back on here is, it's a Windows program, portable applications. Here it is. Brightness keys for Chromebooks. This application is really, it's super helpful. Let me open this up. Open file location. And let me go Windows, start up. Where is that? It's not there, Microsoft. Where's the startup folder? Documents. There we go, that's not what I want. Folders. This is a folder! Where is the startup? Okay, I forgot you can't do a web search. This is Windows 95, I don't care. It's in the start. No, it's not. This is Windows 7 though. Start menu, program start. Did I seriously just miss it? Start menu, programs, start. You're kidding me. It's in there. Yeah, that was. And it's very simple. You just plop the application in there, like, and there you go. So now this app will run on startup, which is really nice. Which then will allow, once you sign in, it doesn't really work when you're not signed in, but it will allow your keyboard to work with the keys, like the, oh, it didn't make it. It allows the stop, close all, dude, there. I said, Internet Explorer is super buggy. Oh. No. So that's about it for this video. You can see we got Windows 10 LTSC successfully installed with a ton more storage gains, over 1.9 gigs. We now have 3.8 available. Thank you for whoever was in the comments. I don't remember your name offhand. I'm sorry. Thank you for letting me know about LTSC saving storage. It really does save a crap ton of storage. And I mean, I kind of already knew that, but I was also like, but Windows 10 LTSC is the version I use now on these computers. If you want me to do anything else with this Chromebook, let me know in the comment section, please. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like what you saw, click the subscribe button, and I will see you all later. Bye, guys.